Hey friends, if you wish to fix ERR connection closed error on your Google Chrome browser on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's the interesting thing. This error is more about the network and less about the browser. Rather, you can try it on Edge, which is also a Chromium based browser, and check what happens. So, first of all, search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Go to fast.com and hit enter, and then check the internet connection speed. Is it good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next solution, which is to restart the router. So restart the router and check if it helps. If not, then clear the cache and cookies. So open Chrome, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on history once again, click on delete browsing data, change the time range to all time and select delete data. And click on these three dots once again and select extensions and then manage extensions. uh, and then remove any problematic extension. First, at disabling it. If it helps, then remove it. The next solution is to check for malware. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and then open MRT. Okay. Click on next, select full scan, click on next, and then let it go through. The next solution is to disable any proxy on your system. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Go to connections, select LAN settings, make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and use a proxy server is unchecked. The next solution is network reset because it entails all other software level solutions for the network. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Wait. Right click settings, network and internet. Scroll down, select advanced network settings, then select network reset and then click on reset now and finally click on yes. And lastly, you can consider resetting the Chrome browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings. Then go to reset settings, restore settings to the original defaults and then reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.